guys, Sensational was kind enough to send over one of their new wet lace units. I got the unit Quiana, and I have it in the color Secret Highlight Chestnut. And do we see these beautiful curls when you take it out of the packaging? Like, gosh, I love it when a wig comes like this. I already knew once I saw the style of the wig that it was going to eat, because I just love a good full bang type of wig, and that's exactly what it's giving, even when I took it out of the packaging. So you can see that you get the 13x6 lace front space in the front. This unit is advertised as glueless. You don't have to use any glue to install it, and since it has HD lace, it's going to easily melt into your skin. I feel like HD lace gives a lot better of a blend. So this one has some baby hairs that are included. It comes with the middle part. I left it in the middle part because I'm a middle part girly. I added a little bit of tint spray to the lace just to make sure that it would blend directly into my skin. Their wet lace units do come with more of a thinner hairline, but since I like to customize mine a little bit more, I'm going to go in and pluck it, but you don't have to do that if you don't want to. Once I get finished with plucking it, I'm going to go in with a little bit of hold spray on my forehead just to drop that lace on top of it, so that way it melts and blends into my skin really well. While that's melting, I'm just making sure that my parting space is as close as possible to the middle of my forehead. And then I'm going to use a little bit of pomade stick as well to get those flyaways down, and my hot comb. And when I took, can we just get a round of applause or a moment of silence or whatever you want to call it when I remove this melt band? Because y'all, do you see the blend? Do you see the melt? It looks so good. So I'm playing around with my little middle part a little bit more, as well as plucking the hairline some more. I'm going to add just a little bit of swoops right there next to my parting space. A little baby hair action. Don't have to do that though if you don't want to, because it looks just fine without it. This was just me being extra. Like, tell me that lace don't look good. The style of the hair already looks amazing, so to just customize it to my liking, I am obsessed with this unit, and I will definitely be getting another one, because when it comes out this good, you just have to keep a stock in place. Like, this just giving fancy and elegant. The wig felt very spacious in the back. I feel like I had a lot of room in it that I could have made it a little bit tighter. I didn't deal with any shedding. I did do some finger combs through it. I didn't want to lose all of the curls that it had, because surprisingly I really liked the tight curl look in this unit. Usually when wigs have tight curls, I will brush them out very quickly, but I liked how this one looks. So I went ahead and added a little bit of makeup to my parting space just to make sure it's visible, and it looks so freaking good. Rating this wig, I would definitely give it like a 9 out of 10. I love big curtain bangs. I love the color placement of the highlight pieces being right underneath, and on top of that, it's customizable and you can style it multiple ways. It's definitely one of those gotta have it basic type of wigs that gives you the extra little oomph you would need when wearing a cute outfit. And then you can see how I easily threw it over to the side to give you like a little sidebar action. And if you want to go all out, you can put some of the hair up into a ponytail and then let some of it hang down. But it looks good both ways. We love a good versatile wig. So if you guys plan to try this wig, let me know what you think about it once you get it. Or if you have tried it, let me know what you think about it in the comments. Thank you to Sensational for sending this unit over. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye, y'all.